Hi guys, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Let's make this amazing, delicious, sugar-free barbecue sauce today. You know, I love my sauces vinegary. I don't like sweet barbecue sauce. And this is just an adaptation of the one I always make for the house with sugar. This is no sugar because I'm changing my ways. It is amazing. Very, very good. Before we do anything, if you could sub and turn on the notification button, I'd really appreciate it. Let's make this. First thing I'm going to put in my pot is a 12-ounce bottle of dark beer. I'm using Negra Modelo. You can use Guinness. You can use any dark beer. I'm gonna use half a cup of golden Lakanto monk fruit. You can also use Swerve brown sugar if you want, or just regular sweetener, that's fine. I'm gonna use half a cup of tomato sauce, 3/4 cups of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 teaspoons of prepared horseradish, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. We'll put about a half a teaspoon of salt. We'll half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder. I'm gonna do half a teaspoon of chili powder. It can be cayenne, it can be any spicy powder that you want. Finally, I'm going to add a teaspoon of smoked paprika. If you can't find smoked paprika, use regular, that's fine. Guys, I'm gonna use my whisk to get rid of all those little mustard balls and horseradish in there. Now we're going to reduce the heat and we're going to let this simmer until it thickens. Be careful with the heat. You don't want this to evaporate too fast, you know, because the heat's too high. Control that, guys. We want this to be a nice thick sauce. I promise you it tastes just like barbecue sauce. So this has been simmering for about an hour. And I'm going to add half a teaspoon of xanthan gum to this. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit at a time and mix it in. All right, now I'm just gonna stir this until it thickens to what I want, and then I'll turn it off. All right, guys, this is thick enough for me. If you like your sauce thicker, just add a little more xanthan gum, but this is good. This is going to be nice on meats, and we're going to make some chicken thighs in the oven with this, and then we're going to make some ribs in the oven with this. Oh, yummy, yummy. And here we have a beautiful barbecue sauce. So let's taste our sauce. Yes. Love it. It's a special sauce. It's tangy from the vinegar, and it's got a little kick, which I love. And it's not super sweet. Perfect. You're not gonna believe that it is sugar-free. I really do hope you make this, and if you do, I hope you love it as much as I do. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you soon.